You're calling this a
Good morning.
policymaker's correction. What is a policymaker's correction?
Well, look, I mean, I think that as we know, it's really been the policymakers' Herculean efforts over the last 6 months that are unprecedented, that have allowed us to rebound and retrace and even, by September 2nd, hit new, fresh all-time highs in the S&P 500. But I think that they also, set the bar very, very high, and many investors expected them to continue to follow through. And I think as the days of September wore on, it became very clear that some of the gifts that we were given in March, April, and May were perhaps going to be a little bit tougher to procure. And that's really around the certainty of what policy is. And so, we've talked about kind of three things. We've talked about the fact that we're quite frankly shocked that the market isn't more tumultuous, given what looks like could potentially not just be a delay in the CARES Act, but even a materially reduced and watered down version of it. When so many people in the June and July timeframe were saying, "Oh yeah, we're definitely going to get another $1.5 trillion," and that's not forthcoming. And to your point that you all were talking about, for unemployed, for states, municipalities who've dealt with COVID, for many of the small businesses that are now beginning to have to make decisions about shuttering. This stimulus matters, and it matters a lot. And it was in most people's forecasts.